Good morning, students. Now we start the structure of spermatozoa. Structure of spermatozoa. Spermatozoa. During sexual reproduction, male gametes and female gametes are very specific cells and giving the haploid set of chromosomes and make to ovum active. And mammalian sperm is divided into the three parts. One is head, second is middle part, and third is tail. And first is head. It is made up of nucleus and acrosome. Head part of the sperm is made up of nucleus and acrosome. For hereditary function, a haploid set of chromosomes found with and hereditary controlling factor chromosomes found in it with protamine protein. The acrosome is situated on the anterior end of the sperm. Anti-fertilizing is found on the head of the sperm. Anti-fertilizing is found on the head of the sperm, and inside sperm lysine enzyme as hyaluronidase and cathepsin. Hyaluronidase and cathepsin are found. And next, second part is middle part. Middle piece joins head by the neck. In the neck there are two similar centrioles are present. But these are different in functions. The proximal centriole after the fertilization help in the formation of mitotic spindle. And this is situated perpendicular to the axis. Distal centriole. First one is proximal centriole, second is distal centriole. Forms the axis. And structure is 9+2 arrangement. The distal centriole also work as a basal body. In the middle piece, the filament is being surrounded by the mitochondria, which are active for oxidizing phosphorylation by respiratory enzyme. And middle piece have a fibrous ring-like structure, and it is called ring centriole. whose work is to check mitochondria for going in tail part. To check mitochondria to go in the tail part. And next part is tail part. The tail of part of the sperm is the longest part, and the end parts make the pointed part of tail, which is main part forms the major part of the tail. 9+2 structure. There are cytoplasm and thick filament are also there. In sperm, stored food, ribosomes, endoplasmic reticulum, and nucleolus and RNA etc. are absent. It means sperm have the lack of stored food, ribosomes, ER, and nucleolus and RNA. This is the structure of the sperm, and next video we are discuss a new process, and new process is oogenesis.